Hey hackers. Damn. Let's try that again. Hey hackers, how we doing? Um yeah, so I'm streaming. Um First of all, I graduated. Yeah, high school. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, I'm still in high school. Or not anymore cuz I graduated. Let's go. Um yeah, I'm going to I think the Naval Academy and stuff. Oh, what's up, Mati? How you doing? How you doing? Oh, let me know let the Discord know. I made a little Discord webhook bot to kind of make my life easier. Um, it's not like a full grown Discord bot or anything, but automate some of the webhooking stuff. So like I could copy the link to the stream, and then here you go. So I can literally just do like yeah that, and then I have a Danny that will do it. Been a while since you've done anything with TryHackMe. Yes, it has. Yes, it very much has. I think that should post it to the announcements channel. So if I go over here, announcements, everybody live on YouTube with the link. Awesome, cool. Yeah, I made that little thingy just to make my life a little bit easier. Yeah. But hopefully we're all doing cool. Hopefully we're all chilling. Let me know, let me know. Cool, I can put Discord away because I'm not even going to be really looking at Discord too much throughout the stream. Let me pop out the chat because um, it's going to be easier for me to see. Yeah. Apple, hey, what's up, man? Oh, thank you for the donation. Awesome, appreciate it. Or the super chat. Mad cool of you, man. Yeah, it has been a hot minute since I've done anything on TryHackMe. Hold up. Let's go over to YouTube. Because the last TryHackMe thing I did was me explaining. This is the exact same room I did previously, though. So this was like a demonstration. This was even like a real TryHackMe thing. So before that, it was either the King of the Hill game or the Pickle Rick. Yeah, because there's this thing, and then there was the breast cancer awareness cough game. Yeah, right here. So 6 months ago, so it's been about 6 months since I was last on TryHackMe. Yeah, super fun, super fun. Let me go and look at stuffs. Games, CTF, TryHackMe. There's a room I've been wanting to do on TryHackMe for a little bit. But we'll look at some other ones. Because I know the one I really wanted to do was Blue. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Yes, TryHackMe Blue. Use cookies? Yeah, sure. Why not? Because it seems like a cool room, and it says it's fairly easy. So I don't know where it says it. It said it was easy. I swear. Hold up. There you go. Easy. Just trying to ease my way into some track rooms. I'm thinking I might try to do like, like one a week, one every 2 weeks. But then again, that's why I said last time. I was like, all right, yeah, every Friday I'll stream, and once a week I'll do a CTF Try Hack Me room. Blah blah blah. Never did it. So yeah, hopefully I can figure out an actual schedule or something. Anyway, let's actually go ahead and get started because I should have my VPN connected, I think. Yeah, I think my VPN is connected. Alright. So start the machine. Oh, do I need oh, I have to join the room. Gotcha. Yeah, see, it's been a little bit. There you go. Alright, so there's a little thingy-majig, and then I can start the machine. Cool. Yeah, I should actually consider like getting like subscribing to TryHackMe. How much is it? So you can do, it's like $10 a month. Okay. I would definitely keep that in mind. Let me make sure like the stream's all clear on my end too while we're here, because I don't want anything bad to be happening while I'm trying to stream and show you guys cool stuff, you know. So subscribe. All right, cool. Yeah, you can hear all the police cars in the background and everything. Perfect. Cool. All right, so let's get started. We have about 3 seconds. All right, cool. It has been a hot minute since I've done like CTF stuff like this. I'm thinking that like TryHackMe. All right, make directory for blue. CD into blue. All right, cool. So we can touch. I don't know why I ls that. It's just like instinct every time I CD into something. So we can touch the README .md file. We can make our scans directory, and then we can open this whole thing up in Codium because that's what we roll, I guess. Yeah, so sure. Or what is this? Blue. Obviously by your boy Blue Cosmo. What's the date? It's like 5/28/22. Yeah. All right, cool. All right, so I was going to have some basic resources. I should make a way to automate all this. You know what I mean? Like some sort of like TryHackMe automation would be actually really sweet. What's up, Infinity? How you doing? How you doing? But yeah, some sort of like TryHackMe automation would be like definitely swell. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm actually gonna write that down somewhere. No ideas. All right. Well, we'll just do TryHackMe automation. Cool. All right. What else are we doing? There you go. Sorry. So we have my IP, which is going to be whatever TryHackMe gives us right here. Highlight. No. So I promise you, I'm good at TryHackMe. I promise you, I am. Don't ever. Oh, is that the box IP right here? Yeah, that's the box's IP. All right, so box, and then mine is what, 10.9.1.141. All right, cool. Yeah, I promise you, we're already off to a great start. So let's actually, read what we're doing. So scan and learn about, or oh my god, scan and learn what exploit this machine is vulnerable to. Please note that this machine does not respond to ping. Okay, and may take several minutes to boot up. This room is not meant to be a boot to root, rather an educational series for beginners. Blah blah blah. All right, cool. Let's have fun. So scan the machine. Okay, and then see how many ports are open with a port number under 1000 and see what the machine's vulnerable to. Okay, so do we have to do like some sort of vulnerability scan? Like I'm at this guy right here, right? Yeah, so let's do some stuff. So we'll do tech B for, verbosity, tech SC, tech S, skid? Who are you calling skid? If you use mmap, you're automatically skid because it's a tool or some shit. That'd be funny as heck if that's like every tool you use just makes you skid at this point. Are they using Metasploit? Nah, man. Tech SC, tech SB. How do you do the scripting again? It's like tech scripts and then vuln. I think that's right. And then I can do tag output normal to the scans directory We'll just call it mmap.log so we can have some sort of syntax highlighting. Yeah, that looks good to me. So, bruh. Oh, is it TypeText script? Ah, there you go. Look at me, look at me. Yeah, but it's been a hot minute, man. A lot of Windows-based attack have Metasploit module. Got you. So we probably will be using Metasploit. Yeah, oh, yeah, look at that. Right there. Cool. So now we wait. And we keep on waiting. You gotta love, hacking. I promise you. It's just, waiting. Cool. So we see a CVE. Open ports. Cool. We'll let mmap do its thing. Is there anything else we can do? Can we go out on the limb and see if it's a web server? I doubt it is, but we can. Yep. Okay. Well, what if we use HTTP instead? No. Alright, so it's definitely not a web server. It's just Windows box or anything. Alright, let's see what else Windows or mmap is saying. Scanning 9 services. Cool. I'm gonna start peeking around, see the other stuff we're going to need to do. Oh, so we are going to need Metasploit. Fun. Find the exploitation. Show options. Blah blah blah. Did they just show you what payload you're using? Escalate. And then cracking. And find the flags. Cool. It should be fun. I'm just waiting for scans to finish. Alright, it finished. Cool. So if we go scans, mmap.log, let's see what's in here. So there's our command and stuff. So 139 is up, or 135, 139. Alright, so you can see RPC. Why do I know that? It's not like remote something or something like that. NetBIOS, SSN, Microsoft 7 to 10. And then, fun. Remote desktop protocol. Also RDP. Interesting. So there's RDP vulnerability. This one. Cool. What's the other vulnerability? Remote code execution? Oh, that's probably one that we're going to have to use or something. I love remote accuracy, but yeah. Remote code execution. And then, cool. All right, that's fun. Let's see what else we can do with all that. All right, cool. So what we're gonna do is go back here and scan the machine. All right, yeah, we scanned the machine. Cool. How many ports are open with a number under 1,000? 3. Cool. What is this machine vulnerable to? MS ? All right, can we just search up for MS? 12020, is that the format we're looking for? MS 12 tech 020. MS12 that. Oh, is there another thing that's vulnerable? MS17 010. Alright, so I guess it's just really vulnerable. 010. Alright, so that's the vulnerability we're going to be looking at. All right, so going to look at. All right, cool. So, all right, we finished the reconnaissance phase. Let's get into our gaining access stage. All right, so we need to start Metasploit. All right, fun. Cool. So MSF console. Dang, everything in the hacker world loves taking its time. Lord. All right, cool. So let's kind of read ahead a little bit. Find the exploitation code will run against the machine. What is the flow path of the code? Okay. So it probably has to do with the MS whatever. How do you search in Metasploit? Isn't searchsploit a thing? But I don't think I have it. Dang, that's a lot of. Okay. So I really only use Metasploit to generate shellcode. So so I'm gonna have to like actually learn some other functionality about the tool. So do nothing for a specified number of seconds. You joke about talking. It's time, but we don't have privask. Oh, damn! Somebody's. You went for a personal attack, eh? All right, cool. So let's Cool. We started Metasploit. Cool. So find the exploitation code. Can I just go out on a limb and assume this is the payload, or is this? All right. I don't know what exploit we're looking at. Dang. Search MS. Oh, you can search. Okay, that's awesome. Search MS. Yeah, actually no. We'll search MS and then 17. Nope, that's not what I meant to do. MS 17. Cool. So there's Eternal Blue. Oh, look at that. So I'm assuming that's the one we're gonna need. 010 Eternal Blue. Can I? Is it too much of a limb to assume that? Cool. All right. So yeah, that's Eternal Blue. Cool. All right. So what else is next? Show options and set the one required value. What is the name of this value? All caps for submission. Oh, yeah. Got you. So it's like use 0. All right, there you go. So show options. Look at me learning. So our hosts. So this is the payload options. L host and then L port. Oh, so we're gonna have to like set up a listener and stuff. All right, show options and set one required value. What is the name of this value? feel so noobish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the thing we need to set? Unless I'm not showing the options right or whatever. Is it not show options? Oh, so now I gotta look at my Metasploit notes, bro. No, it's show options. I feel so noobish. Holy mackerel. Alright. So what's the thing we need to set? Is that what they're saying? Would it just be our IP address, the L host? Your answer is incorrect. Module options for Eternal Blue. This is the payload options for reverse TCP, L port, L host. So I would assume that, exit func, I don't freaking know. L port. What is the name of this? Oh, do you have to set some required value? What is the name of this value? I might need some insight on what the heck I'm doing. So we show options, right? And then we see, okay. Oh, so is it asking about what value we need to set something to? Find the exploit code will run against whatever. Just use a hint. Jesus. Show options. That's what I did. That's literally what I did. Maybe I'm just being like dumb. Maybe I should actually like think. Is it the SMB pass? All casts for submission. What's the name of this value? Show options and set the one required value. Okay, hold up. I need to set one of these values to something. GTS R host. The target host. I don't think it's our host. Yeah, because it's asking show options and set one required value. Set the one required value. What is the name of this value? Required. This is required. That's required. That's required. Oh yeah, so it is our host. Huh. There you go. Okay, yeah, I'm being dumb. I am dumb. Alright. So we have to set our host. Jesus Christ. Maybe if I freaking read it, you know what I mean? So you have to set to the target address. Set our host to like that. Alright. Usually it would be fine to run this exploit as is. However, for the sake of learning, you should do one more thing before exploiting the target. Enter the following command and press enter. Alright. Bam. With that done, run the exploit. So, do you just run? don't know. Sending egg. Best watch out. Man, alright. So what we learned today, boys? 90% of hacking is waiting. That's cool though. So does it actually say eternal blue in here? No, okay. So it's all the MS 17 thing. Yeah, MS 17010. That's cool how people actually like discover this and stuff. Okay. Come on, best boy, you can do it. Core raw buffer dump. Jeez, I'm gonna actually read through this a little bit and just see what it's kind of doing. So it sees if it's vulnerable, connects to it, establishes exploitation, CMBD stuff, closing connection, blah 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 blah. Okay. It's beating on SMG. Yeah, for real. It seems like. Alright. Crazy. Quite outlandish. This is. Alright, so with that done, we run the exploit. Confirm that the exploit has run correctly. You may have to press enter for the DOS shell to appear. Background the shell. If failed, you must have to reboot the target VM. Try running again before a reboot of the target. Got you. Alright, so what's after this when we get a shell? So I'm assuming it's going to be different than something like WinPs maybe, or I don't know. Escalate privileges, learn how to upgrade shells and Metasploit. Oh, okay, got you. If you haven't already, background the shell by Control-Z. Research online on how to create a shell interpreter, or how to create a interpreter shell. What is the name of the post module we will use? Got you. Alright, so we're doing some interpreter stuff. So exploit completed, but no session was created. Sad face. So we're still in our computer, I think. Yeah. Okay. But no session was created. So what did they say about confirm the exploit was, you may have to press enter for the DOS shell to appear. No. Background the shell. If failed, you may have to reboot the VM. Oh, do I have to like terminate it and like restart it? Okay. So, I guess that's what we're going to do. Terminate the machine. Start the machine. And now we have to wait a minute. Cool. Seems like we're doing, pretty good progress so far, though. What's the time? We're at half an hour right now? Okay. So once we get the shell, we'll have to escalate it and do some sort of interpreter stuff. I've actually never played with a interpreter before, but I know it's pretty cool. While we're here, let me change the name of the video to the actual box we're doing. So TryHackMe. Was it just? It's called Blue, right? Yeah, Blue. So cool. Man, it's been so long since I've seen this room. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm like a virgin when it comes to TryHackMe. Like I have not played with this as much as I need to. All right, cool. So we got the new IP address. So we can, well, bam. All right, we're actually going to need this in our exploit, right? Yeah. So show options. All right, so all we're going to need to do is set our hosts to a different value. There you go. So now if we show options, it has that new address. Cool. So we just run it, I think. You just type run, right? All right, well, I guess we'll see. Cool. Send the egg again. Can't forget the egg. Let me see if we can get some. So if you haven't already, background the shell, research online how to convert a interpreter shell. Okay, got you. Convert Metasploit shell to Meterpreter. Got you. Yeah, hub. I love that. Yeah, hub is crazy. So you have to use exploit multi-samba user map script. Is that what we have to do? Oh Lord. Y'all just know how to. Oh, post multi. Okay. I think we're somewhere. Let me check on the actual. Alright, cool. So, if you haven't already, put in the background, research online how to convert a shell to interpreter. What's the name of the post module we use? Okay, so the post module is this one right here. Cool. Post module for interpreter. Cool. So let's go over here, and we don't need my YouTube channel up here anymore. We don't need that. So I'll no. Just pin. All right, cool. So what we'll do is we'll paste this in here, right? Because this is the. Yeah, awesome, sweet. So it's still going. That's all cool. So we know we're going to need to use this interpreter. Select this, use module path, show options. What option are we required to change? Okay. So I'm not gonna. I'll stop right here because we need our shell. But no session was created. Now where did I go? Show options. Lhost. Do I need to change the lhost? Set lhost to this IP address. Cool. I'll save this as the original L host. Did you start your listener? Does it not work through Netcat? Okay, hold up. See, maybe I'm not going to say you're wrong, Mate. I am. I'm not going to say you're wrong. Hold up. Let me set it back to what it was. And let me set an actual LNVP. Was it quad 4 or some stuff like that? But I thought it worked through the exploit. Maybe I'm just being dumb. Exploit completed. No. Yeah, this address is already in use because of the listener, yeah. Yeah, see, yeah, so it can't be the listener. Huh, let me set the L host and try running it. There's a Metasploit listener module. Fun. Oh, let's go. So I needed to change the L host. Cool. Durr. Whoa. All right, boys. Hold up. All right, we're making it. We're doing something. All right. So Control Z. Background session. Yes. Okay. So what do we need to do now? So if you haven't already, background the session with Control Z. We found the shell-term interpreter. So let's go ahead and use this. So use. Okay. So now if we show options. Current setting. Oh, so the session is what we need to change? We'll try the auto detect, got you. So I'm assuming it's a session. How do you list your sessions? Is as simple as list sessions? Damn. Okay. Sessions tech L, got you. So sessions tech L. We have session 1, okay. So we can do set session to 1. And then set. All right, so if we try running this, might not work. It's on a different port. That work? Okay. Run. If this doesn't work, try completing the exploit from the previous task once more. Okay, bro. You're being kind of weird. So yeah, we added the session. Oh, you can also type exploit. That's way harder than. Do I need to change the port and stuff? Yeah, try set L port to quad 4. And now let's exploit. Exploit sounds way cooler than run. If you wish to run the post against all sessions in the framework, no. Oh my gosh. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. It's a whole lot of waiting. Alright, well, I can see why like people like John Hammond do the room beforehand and record instead of streaming them, because it's a whole lot of waiting. Kind of hungry. I just had pizza. I don't know. All right. While this is doing this, I don't think it's gonna work. I think I need to change. I don't think I should change the port like that. So you use that, and then from the MSF prompt, you use it, show options, you set the session, and you exploit. All right. So let's set L port back to 4433. All right, and then if we do session tech L, sessions tech L. Oh, we have a interpreter. Oh, so maybe it did work. Okay, so how do you how do you activate a specific session? So session is a cell. So sessions tech U 2. Oh, sessions. How do you use a session? Jesus, oh my lord. Use metasploit session. Like if you background the session, how do you access it again? Oh, tech I and then the number. Run an interpreter. Terminate all sessions. Run a command. How do you jump into? My freaking gosh. Terminate, interact. Oh, so tech I would be to interact. So sessions tech I 2. There you go. Holy mackerel. Alright, I think we did it. This looks right? W script, SOW script. I see a bunch of DLLs and stuff, so. Alright, I'm going to assume that we have the interpreter. Cool. So, after all that pain, set the required option. Okay, this doesn't work. We got it to work. Once the interpreter shell conversation completes, select that session for use. Okay, I think we're good. Maybe. Verify that we have escalated to NT authority system. Oh, so we have system after that? Jeez. Run get system to confirm this. Get system. Already running as system. Holy Lord. What's up, Annette? How you doing? Alright, so feel free to open the dot shell via command shell and run who am I. Alright, well we already did that, so we're good. List all the processes via the ps command. All right, hold it. Do I need to zoom out a little bit? All right, so we got quite a few things going on here. List all the processes. Just because we are a system doesn't mean our process is. Find a process toward the bottom of this list running at NT authority system. Write down the process ID. There's a lot of NT authority systems here. List all the processes running. Okay, just because we're a system does not mean our processes. Find a process towards the bottom of the list that's running at NT authority system. Okay, so find any process. Can we just use this one? All right, let's just put some faith into that. All right, so, oh, you know what we could do? This is what we can do. Here, we'll just do this. Cool. Process list dot lst. Actually, dot log is fine. There you go. Cool. All right. Well, that was easy. All right. So yeah, we're probably just gonna use this one right here. I had a breakpoint so I can remember it. How do you add breakpoints in what do you call it? All right. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. So the process we're likely going to end up using anyway is this one. So I will the command prompt one right there. Cool. All right. So what's next? We need to migrate to this process where the process ID is the one you just wrote down in the previous step. This may take several attempts. Migrating processes is not very stable. If this fails, you may need to rerun the conversion process or reboot the machine and start once again. If this happens, try a different process next time. So we need to migrate to a process. So I'm assuming we need to migrate to the command prompt, right? That would make the most sense. So how do you migrate? Oh, you literally just type migrate. Is there a reason why we need to do this? And more waiting. Error. Okay. So do we actually need to migrate? Because it said just because it does or whatever doesn't mean we are or something like that. Yeah, just because we are system doesn't mean our process is. Okay. Can we just check to see if our process? So what process are we? 2804. So we are 2804 right here. And it says system. Oh, 2324. Got you. So we're PowerShell right now. It says system. All right, I'm going to take a leap of faith and say that we are system. So, cracking. All right. And if we aren't, then we can just go back and try to fix it. You know what I mean? All right, so within our elevated interpreter shell, run the command #dump. This will dump all the passwords on the machine as long as we have the correct privileges to do so. #dump. Come on. Damn. Alright. While that is hanging. Let me make sure the machine didn't die or anything like that. Nope. Alright, we're good on time. Alright, cool. So we can close a lot of these. Jesus. Come on, Hashdump. You can do it. Did I write the right command? Alright, so with our elevated interpreter shell, run the command #. This will dump all the passwords on the machine as long as we have the correct privileges to do so. What is the name of the non-default user? Okay. Users. Dang, this machine. I know Windows is slow, but this is kind of just like concerning. Let me see if I can see if we can find any of the users from use file paths maybe. No. Guess not. Oh my lord. I don't know if Hashdump usually takes this long to run, so I guess we kind of just chill here for a second. I'm gonna see if there's anything else I can check out while we're waiting. So we'll have to get the user, copy this password hash to a file, research how to crack it and crack the password. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And then what it's gonna say is find the 3 flags planted on this machine. They represent key locations on the Windows system. So this can be found at the system root. This file can be found in the location where passwords are stored. Like the SAM file, right? This flag can be found in an excellent location to loot. Administrators usually have pretty interesting things saved. Alright, that last one's gonna be kind of weird. Dang, 1,168 days old. Wow. Alright, let's see if Hashdump is dying. Okay, let's see if we can try migrating our shell. Then migrate to let's just do I don't know, something that's running authority 704. Is our shell dead or something? Like all of our commands are just hanging. Like if I type ls, yeah, our shell is just dead. What the actual? This might take several attempts. Migrating process is not very stable. If this fails, you may need to rerun the conversion process or reboot the machine. Holy. Alright, we may need to redo the conversion process. Yeah, alright, so if we do session list, oh my gosh, sessions. So if we do session interact with 1, oh my lord, oh my lord. How did we do it before? Sessions tech I 1. There you go. dir. Okay, so we still had this session. Great. great. If I do PS and stuff, can you do it here? Oh, okay, so that's part of the interpreter. Got you. So the interpreter gives us more functionality on top of our shell. So what we can do is Control Z, background this shell. Yeah, okay. Now let's do what we did before. Show options. All right, maybe this is good. Exploit. Cool. Oh, wait. Session 3 opened. Oh my gosh, I am so confused. Alright, so we'll let this do its thing, I guess. Yeah, this is a very fairly slow room. But it's cool, I like it. It's just a lot of waiting. Come on, Metasploit. You can do it, man. Believe in yourself. Dream. Alright, let me see the other stuff. So yeah, all we need to do is get the user and stuff. Alright, there you go. Sessions tech L. So session 3 is our new interpreter. Alright, so let's do session tech I 3. And we're in our interpreter. Awesome. So if we do PS, we can see those, and then we can migrate to, I don't know, anything with authority system. What? 2692. I saw the 69 and I knew it was valid. All right. So migrate 2692. Oh, let's go. Migration completed successfully. Ha ha ha. All right. So now that we migrated successfully, all right, now we can do the cracking stuff. So we need to get the non-default user, pwd. So we need to cd into c:/users. John. There's John. Your interpreter session is separate from the eternal blue one. That's why a third session popped up. Got you. John. Haha. Alright, so copy this password. Oh yeah, we need to do the hash dump. Yeah. Hash dump. Okay, got you. So we'll just copy all of these. Hash dump. Cool. So whoops. Cool. We don't need that. So let's actually, crack the hash. Can we just use crack station, or we have to do some hash crack type stuff? Copy this password hash to file. So we're getting John's. All right, cool. So security, exploitation. Oh, it's probably in cryptography for cracking. Yeah, there you go. It's built that way so that that you don't break all the session when doing something unstable. Also check the room time. Thank you and thank you. How much time we got? 29 minutes? All right, we should be good. All right, so let's crack that. Get the hash and see if we can crack it with the crack station. If not, unrecognized hash format. Did we just throw the whole thing? Alright, what am I doing wrong? So, oh, the colon in the middle. Yeah, so it's one of those like the salts or something. Alright, I think we're going to have to do like actual hash cracking. Alright, so copy the password hash into a file. Research how to crack it. What is the correct password? Alright, so I'm assuming it's hashcat, right? Yep, hashcat. Alright, cool. Alright, how do we do this? Hashcat. It's been a little bit since I used hashcat, if I'm being real life. Alright, so yeah, cool. So yeah, let's save the hash to a file. We'll just crack this one. So we'll do John dot txt, and we can actually echo just there you go. Echo all that to John.txt. So if we cat John, there you go. Alright, so we're going to need hashcat on this joint. So hashcat help. And you remember the attack modes and stuff. Alright, so we'll do the attack mode 3. How do you know? So where's the hash modes and stuff? Oh lord. Oh wait. Hash ID, right? Isn't that a thing? Hash ID. All right. Fun. Oh my gosh. All right. MD5. Cool. Do we have a... I think they were working on the MD5 cracker in Cryptex, but I don't know if they actually finished it or not. So, I will use hashcat for today, and then Cryptex if that feature's ever implemented. All right. So, how do you know MD5? So pass and salt and pass. Oh crap! Which one's the salt? All right. So I guess we need to do some cracking hash dump. Oh, they're using John. Fun. Okay. They made that way easier. Tech M100 tech show. Seriously? Is that all you have to do? Last tutorial, we look how to gain access from the ministry, blah, blah, blah. You get the hash up of the passwords for the user accounts. Yeah, so... Yeah, alright, so this is what it looks like right here. Cool. So save that to a text file. Cool. Oh, you should save all of them to a text file. That's even smarter, honestly. Control A, Control V, and then John would just be hashes.txt. Alright, cool. So how are they doing it? So you're using John, text format NT. Okay, so let's see if we can use John. Oh, was the username John a hint to use the password tool, John? That's really clever. All right, cool. So John, we'll do the show. What they're doing is that, did they just make that very simple? Oh, they should use hashcat too. All right, let's try John first and see if that works. And then tag format will be equal to the NT because that's what Windows uses for the encryption. And then on our hashes, the TXT. Okay. We were successful. Or is what's the other one they used? NTLM, right? All right. So clearly John did not work. Do you pass in like a word list or something? Like, cracking using hashcat. All right, let's just use hashcat because John's being weird. Yeah. All right. So hashcat tech M for mode 1000, and then you use the hashes.txt, and then user or Jesus. All right, user share word rock you. And we get results. All right, this is going to be fun. Oh, so we got some passwords. All right, cool. So we got this one, Element or whatever. Let's try this one and see if that's the actual password. That is not the right one. All right. Hashcat user share word list, blah, blah, blah. Oh, this one right here. There you go. That's the password. All right, cool. So we got all right, so interpreter hash dump hash cat. All right, cool. So let's see if we can cracked. So John, and then Alf, whatever, and then we got what's the other thing we got? We got or let me just get the command we ran just so I can remember it for like future reference. Yeah, cool. Bam. All right. That's not what I meant to do. Cool. So yeah, there you go. So we got credentials. What was the last thing we needed to do? All right, yeah, find the flags. Got you. So this can be found at the system root. Oh, box time. Yeah, 19 minutes. We probably got it. You know what? There's no harm in adding an hour, like, because we don't need to. All right, so let's go back to our interpreter, and let's actually get this. So if we cd into the root directory, flag 1, so cat flag. Oh. Hey, here you go. Access the machine. Got you. So submit. This one is in the location. Where's the SIM file located again? I swear I used to know this. All right, we're almost done with this. So let's see. SAM. Oh, so it's system32 config. Really? All right. So cd into c:/Windows. All right, Windows system32 config. There you go. Cat flag 2.txt. See, now that's how you know I'm on my Windows stuff. All right. We actually do something for the flags. So flags. So flag 2. All right, cool. So we can do the little. I don't like how there's no syntax highlighting for stuff within the code blocks. So this was in this directory right here, yeah. And then here, you know what? To make our lives easier, there you go. So one was just in the C:\root, right? And then I think it was just something like access the machine or something like that. Yeah, cool. There you go. So let's get this one and paste this in here. Cool. So this flag can be found in an excellent location to loot. Could it be the temp directory? I don't know. That's why I started mine. cd into environment temp. All right. Where would they have that? Can I get a hint? You have elevated privileges access. All right. Let's see. cd into the. So, what's like users? cd into excellent place to loot. This flag can be found in. Administrators usually have pretty interesting things saved. This flag can be found in an excellent location to loot. What's an excellent location to loot? I need a little bit more. You'll need elevated privileges to access this flag. What's like a good place to loot? If you're doing like exfil, maybe we can go to John's account, see if there's anything of interest in here. Can you can't do like a grep tech R, right? Yeah, because this is a Linux. If you do PowerShell, okay, clear. All right, so let's cd back here. Where would you? What's a good place to loot? Does anyone know? This flag can be found in an excellent location to loot. After all, administrators usually have pretty interesting things saved. Is there an administrator directory somewhere? cd into users. cd into All right. I don't know. Could you do all users maybe? Maybe there's something here. In the admin user account, the default user, is that John? Because when we looked at because the administrator has a different account, right? Yeah, the administrator is different than John. Or are these the same hash? Or that's the same salt, got you. This is the hash right here. Try the desktop. Alright, where are we right now? CD into John. CD into desktop. Nah. Do we have like the find? Dang. What's this flag can be found in an excellent loot location. Windows loot locations. Loot Windows interpreter. If you have an interpreter shell guide, do any little effort. Dang, that is crazy. Interpreters actually crazy. Yeah, so you can get the hashes and stuff. Loot registry tools, password dump. Oh, search, got you. So you can actually do search tech F all.txt. Let's actually CD into like, whoops, CD into, so search. So I just to make sure I didn't kill my shell or anything. Cool. So if we do search tech F all.txt, all right, looks like that might work. Unless, because I genuinely cannot think of any other good, what do you call it? Good, oh, cool. Fun. Dang, that's a lot of damage. All right, hold up. Oh, is this in like, damn, okay. All right, so can we search for like flag instead? Log file flag3.txt. So user no, stop. What? You know what? Just stop. Whatever. I don't even care. Users John documents flag.txt. Got you. So CD into users or users John documents cat flag 3.txt. Got you. And look at that. So let me go flags. C:/ users John documents. All right, cool. So let's go to this thing and submit. Hey, there you go. All right, awesome. All right, we got here, thumbs up. Good job. That was actually a pretty sweet bot. So I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, that's really cool. I actually gotta learn a little bit more about Metasploit and some other cool things. Here, let me terminate the box and amazing. Thank you. I try. A lot of waiting. You have shells that are open. Alright, how do you close your shells? Yeah, let me actually learn that. So sessions tech K, right? Or K1. Alright, so killing session 1, close session 3. Cool. So now we can exit. Alright, cool, there you go. Here's the thing though, because GitHub does not like how much data I have within my CTF directory. So they're getting really mad at me for trying to push stuff up. So I'm going to figure out a workaround. But I'll let you guys know relatively soon. Yeah, but that's going to be it, guys. Fun box. I'll try to do these more if I can, because that was like a solid, what, hour and 20? Got you. I might hop on later today if I can, because I'm out of school now. I graduated, so more streams and stuff. I'm gonna make a video kind of talking about, like, now that I've graduated, all the what stuff's gonna be like now and stuff. But overall, it should be fun. I ain't gonna hold you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. It was actually a lot of fun to do this, as always. I'll catch you guys in the next one. So stay happy, stay positive, and as always, happy hacking. Hey hackers, Blue Cosmo from CCS here, and I wanted to introduce you guys to the Happy Hacker Site Plan. The Happy Hacker Site Plan is a plan where you guys can support us for only $1 a month. That's right, $1. With this comes exclusive benefits like courses, articles, videos, and access to our entire cybersecurity knowledge base. If this interests you and you guys want to get access to all this, check out the link in the description. It's only $1, so we definitely appreciate your guys' support. Anyway, enjoy the video and happy hacking.